In today's video, I am going to teach you how to buy and connect a custom domain to Shopify. We are going to do this directly inside your Shopify admin, so the process is very straightforward. Buying your domain through Shopify can make setup easier because your domain is managed from the same place as your store. That means fewer settings to deal with later and a smoother experience overall. Start by logging into your Shopify admin account. Once you are signed in, look to the lower left area of the dashboard and open Settings. Inside Settings, select Domains. This is where Shopify lets you manage the web address connected to your store, including buying a new one. When you are on the Domains page, click Buy New Domain. Shopify will then give you a search field where you can look for the domain name you want. Type in your preferred name carefully. Try to choose something that matches your brand, is easy to spell, and is simple for customers to remember. If your first choice is not available, Shopify may show you other options that are close to what you entered. If the domain you want is available, go ahead and click Buy. Before you complete the purchase, have your payment method ready. This part is important because Shopify will take you through the checkout process for the domain registration. Take a moment to review the domain name, the pricing, and any renewal details shown on the screen so you know exactly what you are purchasing. After that, click Buy Domain to confirm the purchase. Once the transaction is complete, Shopify will add the domain to your store. In most cases, the domain will be connected automatically, which is one of the main benefits of buying it directly through Shopify. That means you usually do not need to manually update DNS records or deal with settings at a separate domain provider. If the domain does not become active immediately, do not worry. It can sometimes take a little time for the domain to finish processing and begin working properly. That is normal. Just give it some time and check back in your domain settings if needed. That covers everything you need to know.